Can you tell me what a fire truck says? Very good. And an ambulance? And a police car? Wow, they all have sirens, huh? They make lots of noise?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does your doors open on your fire truck?
Yeah.
Can you show Mommy?
Siren.
Siren.
Yeah.
That's right.
And Devin.
That one's a siren?
Yeah.
Six. What's up, Aidan? Can you say your ABCs for Mama?
No, choo-choo.
Choo-choo? Can you say your ABCs?
No. I'm being a truck.
Big monster truck.
I'm being a truck.
So we're off to a good start this morning. Aidan's playing cars. And little Sarah is sleeping sweetly.
It's good.
And Aidan, Aidan has cars. No, you gotta say it this way. Aidan. Can you say, here, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Can you say, love you, Nana?
Love you, Nana.
Now look at me again.
Love you, Nana.
Yeah, look at me again. Say, love you, Papa.
Papa, Papa.
Can you blow him kisses? Turn around. Let me see you. Blow kisses. Blow kiss. Go. There we go. Good boy. You say bye-bye?